Very often, airships are compared with sea transport, with trains. They say that airships cannot compete with sea transport, with trains. There is a current situation in which people solve problems. These are input data. And the current input data do not include the airships with the consumer properties that we are planning to build. And the whole world is planning to build them. How does business work? It will not invent an airship for itself. It will take what is on the market. It looks, a ship, okay, goes from here to there. It will cost so much. It will take so long. Or a train. An airship will appear. It will solve the problems of a completely different quality with its economic indicators. Again, a train has to be loaded. It has to be driven to the sea. It has to be reloaded there. It will go somewhere by sea. It will have to be unloaded, loaded on the train. And all this, it means costs. It is overloading of logistics. It's time, it's money, it's extra work. An airship just takes this cargo. Yes, a ship carries a lot, and that's a fact. And an airship will never be able to carry as much as a ship carries by water alone. But you can compare them to trains. 500 tons, all right. How many? Do you need 2 of those, 3 of those, 4 of those? That's a train. Why not? They took something from the manufacturing plant in 3 runs, and they took it immediately to the place where it is necessary, without a train, without the sea, in a straight line and 1,000 times faster. Because again, the average speed of the same freight train, Google it, is 9 kilometers per hour. The speed by sea, I'm not going to talk about it. The average speed here from point A to point B is 150 kilometers per hour. Plus, well, if you catch the right wind, and it's not difficult to catch the right wind, again with current technologies, when we see all the wind movements, where they twist and so on, the speed will only get higher, higher and higher. Well, that's it. Thank you.
Спасибо.